welcome back to the channel where we dive into the most jaw-dropping machines on the planet. And today we've got something truly insane for you, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti, known for building some of the fastest hypercars in the world, has taken a wild leap into the luxury motorhome scene. But don't think for a second that they've compromised performance or design. This is not just a home on wheels, it's a hypercar experience wrapped in first-class comfort. The exterior is pure Bugatti, with sharp aerodynamic lines, a low aggressive stance, and that iconic horseshoe grille up front. It's sculpted entirely from lightweight carbon fiber, giving it strength without the bulk. Active aero flaps, a retractable rear spoiler, and dynamic lighting systems all come together to create a vehicle that looks like it belongs more on a racetrack than a campsite. Step inside, and things only get more impressive. The interior is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. From hand-stitched Italian leather to carbon fiber accents and touchscreen controls, it feels like stepping into a private jet. The driver's cockpit is loaded with futuristic Tekka digital dash, Bugatti's own infotainment system, and biometric startup that adjusts the settings to your preferences. Move to the rear, and you'll find a lounge with adaptive seating, a hidden kitchenette with smart appliances, a full-size bed, and even a rainfall shower. It's pure elegance on wheels, but what really makes this a Bugatti is the performance. Underneath the sleek body is a quad-turbocharged W16 engine paired with a hybrid electric system, pumping out over 1,200 horsepower. That means this beast goes from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds faster than most sports cars, despite weighing as much as a small house. The advanced suspension adapts in real time, and with all-wheel drive, you'll feel completely in control no matter where the road takes you. Every detail screams engineering brilliance. It's fast, luxurious, and completely one of a kind. Whether you're cruising the coast or parked in the mountains, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome makes a statement like nothing else on the road. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic machines. See you in the next video.